So go to blogkit.co, click login, and after logging in, click on the top left menu and click on Jingle and Artwork. Then click where it says drag files here or browse files. Click on browse files, click on files, sort by modified, and select the logos. You can tap to select both of the artwork and logo. Then after doing that, you have to connect BlogKit using the API key. So download the plugin by clicking on download kit plugin and head over to your WordPress website. Log into your website. So scroll down and look for plugins, upload new plugin, choose the zip file for the plugin, go to the downloads folder, downloads. I always sort by newest first, BlogKit, install, and activate. So click on the top left menu again. Just click on the top left, go to BlogKit, paste the API key that you copied from BlogKit website, click continue, and your website is now connected. You can now work with BlogKit. So log in now. Yeah, it's now connected. So after clicking there, just click on publish all and you are done.